Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Guatemala, a country that boasts a breathtaking blend of stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Nestled in the heart of Central America, Guatemala is a treasure trove of natural beauty, from its majestic volcanoes and lush rainforests to its serene lakes and vibrant cities. Each corner of this enchanting nation tells a story, inviting travelers to immerse themselves in its diverse offerings. As we embark on this journey, prepare to be captivated by the ancient ruins of Tikal, where towering pyramids rise above the jungle canopy, echoing the grandeur of the Mayan civilization. Discover the colorful markets of Chichicastenango, where the vibrant textiles and handicrafts reflect the artistry and traditions of the indigenous people. And let's not forget the stunning beauty of Lake Atitlan, surrounded by picturesque villages and towering volcanoes, offering a serene escape into nature. Guatemala is not just about its stunning locations, it's also a land rich in history and culture. The fusion of ancient Mayan traditions with Spanish colonial influences creates a unique tapestry that is both fascinating and inviting. From the rhythmic sounds of marimba music to the tantalizing flavors of traditional cuisine, every experience in Guatemala is a celebration of life. Join us as we delve deeper into the most amazing places in Guatemala, uncovering the wonders that await in this remarkable country. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply looking to soak in the beauty of nature, Guatemala has something special for everyone. Let's get started on this unforgettable journey. Antigua, Guatemala. A colonial gem. Nestled in the highlands of Guatemala, Antigua, Guatemala stands as a stunning testament to the country's rich history and vibrant culture. This charming city, once the capital of the Spanish colonial empire in Central America, is renowned for its well-preserved colonial architecture, which transports visitors back in time. Cobblestone streets lined with colorful buildings adorned with intricate facades create a picturesque setting that enchants all who wander through its historic center. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Antigua's status has significantly boosted its appeal as a tourist destination. The preservation efforts that come with this designation ensure that the city's architectural treasures, such as the iconic Santa Catalina Arch, remain intact for future generations to admire. This arch, with its striking yellow hue and stunning backdrop of volcanoes, has become a symbol of the city and a must-visit spot for travelers seeking the perfect photo opportunity. Beyond its architectural wonders, Antigua is alive with a vibrant culture that reflects the fusion of indigenous and Spanish influences. Local markets buzz with activity, offering everything from handmade textiles to delicious street food. The bustling Mercado de Artesanías is a treasure trove for those looking to take home a piece of Guatemalan craftsmanship. As you explore Antigua, Guatemala, you'll find that every corner reveals a new story, whether it's through the remnants of ancient churches or the lively atmosphere of its plazas. This colonial gem invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty and history, making it an unforgettable stop on your journey through Guatemala. Lake Atitlan. Nature's masterpiece. Nestled in the highlands of Guatemala, Lake Atitlan is often hailed as one of the most beautiful lakes in the world, captivating visitors with its breathtaking scenery and vibrant culture. Surrounded by towering volcanoes, including the majestic San Pedro, Atitlan, and Tolaman, the lake offers stunning views that change with the light, creating a picturesque backdrop for any adventure. The indigenous villages that dot the shoreline, such as San Juan La Laguna and Santiago Atitlan, add to the charm, showcasing colorful traditional attire and rich cultural heritage. For outdoor enthusiasts, Lake Atitlan is a paradise of activities. Hiking trails lead to panoramic viewpoints, where you can soak in the awe-inspiring vistas of the lake and its surrounding volcanoes. The trek up to Indian Nose is particularly popular, rewarding hikers with a spectacular sunrise view that is simply unforgettable. Kayaking on the tranquil waters of the lake provides a unique perspective, allowing you to glide past lush vegetation and observe the daily lives of the local communities. The ecological importance of Lake Atitlan cannot be overstated. The area is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, making it a hotspot for biodiversity. Birdwatchers will delight in spotting various species, while nature lovers can explore the rich ecosystems that thrive in and around the lake. Whether you're seeking adventure, cultural experiences, or simply a moment of tranquility amidst nature's beauty, Lake Atitlan is a destination that promises to leave a lasting impression. Embrace the magic of this natural masterpiece and discover the wonders that await you. Tikal. The ancient Mayan city, Tikal, one of the most significant archaeological sites of the ancient Mayan civilization, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and grandeur of a culture that flourished for centuries. Nestled deep within the lush rainforest of Guatemala, Tikal is renowned for its impressive pyramids and temples that rise majestically above the treetops. The iconic Temple I, also known as Temple of the Great Jaguar, and Temple II, the Temple of the Masks, are just two of the remarkable structures that showcase the architectural prowess of the Mayans. These towering edifices, adorned with intricate carvings and inscriptions, provide a glimpse into the spiritual and political life of this once thriving city. Historically, Tikal was a major urban center during the classic period of the Mayan civilization, which spanned from approximately 250 to 900 AD. At its peak, Tikal was a bustling metropolis, home to tens of thousands of inhabitants. The city played a crucial role in trade, politics, and religion, influencing the surrounding regions. The remnants of its grand plazas, ball courts, and ceremonial sites reveal the complexity of Mayan society and its deep connection to the cosmos. Surrounding Tikal is a vibrant rainforest teeming with wildlife, adding to the site's allure. As you explore the ancient ruins, you may encounter howler monkeys, toucans, and a variety of other species that call this rich ecosystem home. The sounds of the jungle create a symphony that enhances the experience, reminding visitors of the deep connection between the Mayan civilization and the natural world. Tikal is not just an archaeological wonder, it is a living testament to a remarkable culture that continues to inspire awe and curiosity. Samuk Champi, a natural wonder. Samuk Champi is a breathtaking natural wonder that captivates visitors with its stunning turquoise waters and unique limestone formations. Nestled in the heart of Guatemala's lush jungle, this hidden gem features a series of cascading pools that shimmer in vibrant shades of blue and green, inviting travelers to take a refreshing dip. The natural beauty of Samuk Champi is enhanced by the surrounding verdant hills and dense vegetation, creating a picturesque setting that feels like a slice of paradise. Adventure seekers will find plenty to do in this enchanting area. Swimming in the crystal-clear pools is a must, as the cool waters provide a perfect escape from the tropical heat. For those looking for a bit more excitement, tubing down the nearby river offers a thrilling way to experience the stunning landscape. Additionally, exploring the nearby caves, such as the Canba Cave, allows visitors to delve into the region's geological wonders while discovering fascinating rock formations and underground rivers. As you enjoy the beauty and activities that Samuk Champi has to offer, it is essential to recognize the importance of conservation in this pristine area. The delicate ecosystem is home to diverse flora and fauna, and efforts are underway to protect this natural treasure from the impacts of tourism and development. By practicing responsible tourism, such as staying on designated paths and minimizing waste, visitors can help preserve Samuk Champi for future generations to enjoy. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply a serene escape into nature, Samuk Champi is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences and breathtaking beauty. Chichicastenango, a cultural hub. Chichicastenango, often referred to as Chichi, is a vibrant cultural hub in Guatemala that offers a unique glimpse into the rich traditions and artistry of the indigenous Maya people. At the heart of this town lies its famous market, one of the largest and most colorful in Central America. Here, visitors can wander through a maze of stalls brimming with exquisite textiles, handcrafted pottery, and intricate wood carvings. The vibrant colors and patterns of the textiles, often woven on traditional backstrap looms, reflect the cultural heritage of the local communities and serve as a testament to their craftsmanship. The town of Chichicastenango is a fascinating blend of indigenous and Spanish influences, evident in its architecture, customs, and daily life. The striking Santo Tomas Church, built atop a pre-Columbian temple, symbolizes this fusion, where traditional Mayan rituals coexist with Catholic practices. The market itself is a melting pot of cultures, where locals and tourists alike come together to experience the lively atmosphere and engage with the artisans who proudly showcase their work. Chichicastenango is also renowned for its traditional ceremonies and festivals, which play a vital role in the community's cultural identity. The most notable event is the annual celebration of Santo Tomas, where colorful processions, traditional dances, and rituals take place, drawing visitors from near and far. These ceremonies not only honor the town's patron saint but also reinforce the deep-rooted spiritual beliefs and customs of the Maya people. Visiting Chichicastenango offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Guatemala, making it a must-see destination for anyone looking to experience the heart and soul of this remarkable country. In this video, we've taken you on an incredible journey through the diverse and breathtaking wonders of Guatemala. From the colonial charm of Antigua, Guatemala to the stunning natural beauty of Lake Atitlan, and the archaeological significance of Tikal, each destination showcases the rich cultural heritage and stunning landscapes that make this country truly unique. We've explored the vibrant markets of Chichicastenango, the serene pools of Samuc Champi, and the ancient ruins that tell the story of the Mayan civilization, highlighting the incredible experiences that await every traveler. Guatemala is a land of contrasts, where lush jungles meet majestic volcanoes, and ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. The beauty and diversity of its wonders are sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone who visits. We encourage you to explore these amazing places for yourself, to immerse yourself in the culture, and to create unforgettable memories in this enchanting country. If you enjoyed this journey through Guatemala's wonders, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to discover the beauty of Guatemala. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and insights into the world's most captivating destinations. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next adventure as we explore more incredible places around the globe.